This is the total negative terminal. This is the total positive terminal. Pay attention to the B- and P- of the BMS. First, connect the B- cable to the negative terminal of the battery pack. The first black cable connects to the total negative terminal. The second cable connects to the positive terminal of the first string of batteries. Then connect sequentially. During the welding process, don't insert the sampling cables into the BMS. Secure again. After completing the cable's welding, check whether the sampling cable's connection is correct. Measure the voltage between adjacent cables. If the voltage is all around the standard voltage, then the wiring is correct. You can also use the detection light board for testing. If the battery pack is 16 strings, then 16 lights should be on. Third, wire sequence testing equipment can also be used for detection. Before connecting the BMS, insert the NTC cable into the NTC-A port. Connect the B- of the BMS to the total negative terminal of the battery pack. Plug in the sampling cables and check if the BMS is working properly.